Okay, today we're going to learn how to separate colors using paint.net. What I want you to do when you're on your desktop, once you've logged in, is you're going to click on paint.net and open that program. Once that program is open, up in the upper right corner you'll see a minus sign that says minimize. Click that. That will bring paint.net down to the bottom of your screen. Now I want you to find Google Chrome. Either your icon is either on your desktop. If it's not, you will go to Start, click the Start menu, and you'll scroll down to where you find Google Chrome. Click on it and open that program. Once the program is totally open, up in the upper right corner you will see the word Images. Click the word Images. In the Google Images search bar, you will type in 3 color clip art, and then hit the magnifying glass to start the search. This wheel will appear. There's several of them here. It doesn't matter which one you choose from. Right click on one of them, go down to copy image, copy the image, go back to paint.net by clicking the icon at the bottom of the screen. And in the blank screen here, I want you to come up here, the 7th icon over. Looks like a clipboard with a white piece of paper. It says paste. Click that with your left mouse button, and the image will appear on the upper left corner of your canvas. Move your icon to the lower right corner of the circle, click the left mouse button, hold it, and drag that to make the image larger. Move the icon to the center of the image. That gives you your 4-way arrows. Click your left mouse button and drag it so that you center it in the middle of the screen, at least close to the center as possible. Now we're going to come over here to your layer box. In the lower left corner of the layer box, you will find 2 pieces of paper overlapping each other. It's the 3rd icon in. That is a duplicate layer icon. I want you to click on that icon 3 times. This is going to give you 3 more layers in your layer box. All 4 layers now are named background. We want them all to be named something different, so we're going to go to the top layer, which is the background layer. We're going to click on it with the left mouse button. You'll get this layer properties box shows up where it says background. I want you to change that to red. Hit OK. Go to the second from the top background. I want you to change that to blue. Hit OK. And then third from the top, we're going to change that to green. Okay, once we have finished this, you should have a red layer, a blue layer, a green layer, and a background layer. The background layer we're not going to do anything with. This is in case we mess up one of the other layers and we have to duplicate another layer so that you can start over with that layer. Okay, so the first thing I need you to do is uncheck the boxes for the background, the green, and the blue layers. So now the only box that is checked is red layer. Then highlight the red layer box, click once to turn that box blue. This is the layer that we're now going to be working with. So in this layer it says red. We want to save only the red color. The first tool we're going to learn about today is the magic wand. If you come over to toolbar, it is the 4th icon down. We click on the magic wand. When I do that, there's a tolerance box shows up here. We want that, it's preset at 50, we want that down to about 36. And you just move it over to where it gets 36. Now in this layer, we want to, only color we want to save is red. So first thing I want you to do is click on the white. On the keyboard, I want you to find your delete key and hit delete. If that would turn black by accident, that means you hit the backspace instead of the delete button. Just highlight it again and hit delete, or use the blue arrow to backspace, which is up here, and then hit delete. Now we're going to go to green, highlight green, then we're going to hit delete, and then the blue and hit delete. Now there is still an outline here of those other colors. We want only red. So what we're going to do is come over back to our tool menu. We're going to come over to our eraser, which is right across from the paintbrush. Click it. up here at the top where it says brush width. This is also your eraser width. So right now it's set on 2. We want something a little larger for what we're going to be doing right now. So I'm going to click on 50 and I'm just going to go around holding the left mouse button in as I go around and delete. Make sure you do not delete any of the red. If you do, then you'll have to backspace and fix it. So like if I accidentally went in like that, I just come up here to hit backspace and it puts it back. Now, as you can see, there's still a blue and green outline on the edges of the red. So we're going to use a magnifying glass to zoom in. Once we have it zoomed in, we'll go back to the eraser. We have to click the eraser. Of course, we have to change eraser size again. So we're going to come back down here to maybe like 4. And then you're going to very carefully erase the blue away from the red and work our way around. We'll do the same thing with the green edge as we go. You can move left to right using this bottom bar. And if you have to go up or down, you use the one on the right side of your screen. And we continue the whole way around. I'm not going to waste your time by doing this. But once you have it completely done, we're going to go back to the magnifying glass, click on it, use the right mouse button. This zooms back out for you. And then I want you to click off the red layer, go to the blue layer, put the check box mark in the box, click the blue layer so it's blue. And then I want you to do the same thing we did with the red. First get rid of the white around it. Then I want you to click the red and then click the green. Each time hitting the delete button, and then use the eraser to erase those lines. And then when you finish that, click that, uncheck that box, check the box for the green, click on the green layer so you work on the green layer, and do the same thing. Click the white, delete, click the red, delete, and click the blue, delete, and then grab the eraser and erase those lines. Once you have all 3 layers separated and you're finished, to check your work to see how well you did, you can come back in and put the check mark back on the blue and the red. And if you did it right, you should have your image reappear without any holes in it. Once you've finished, go up to the word file, click the word file, go to save. You've already saved it in the J drive earlier. Make sure the file name is your first, last name, and the word color separation. Then where it says save type, make sure that is a PDN file. Paint.net, a PDN, not a PNG. If it's a PNG, chances are you will not be able to pull it back up and I will not be able to grade it. Once you have that done, hit save. It will save it back into the J drive for me, and then I will come through in the next week or so and grade these and put these in the grade book. Okay, you have the rest of the period to work on this. Good luck. If you have any questions, refer back to this video. You can run this video and pause it anytime you need to help you get through this project. Good luck.